With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So today our question is like this: which of the following oxides is most basic in nature? Okay, so this is a very basic question about the oxides. Our options are Al2O3, SiO2, SO3 and Na2. So we know metal oxides are basic in nature. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Why these metal oxides are basic in nature? Because when that metal oxide reacts with water, or we can say when these metal oxides put in the water, they give base. Okay, on treating metal oxides with water, they will give the base. Okay, so metal oxides are basic in nature because on treating metal oxides with water, they give the base. Okay, so that's why they are basic in nature. And non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Why these are acidic in nature? When non-metal oxides, on treating non-metal oxides with water, non-metal oxides on treating with water, they give acid. They give an acid. That's why non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Let me give the example. We know sulfur is a non-metal. So let us take an oxide of sulfur, that is SO3. When this react with that, when this oxide on treatment with water, this give an acid which is H2SO4. Okay, so this is an acid. We know this is an acid. So this oxide is acidic oxide because on treatment with water, on treating this oxide, that is SO3, on treating this SO3 with water, we will obtain then acid. That's why SO3 is an acidic oxide. Okay, so non-metal oxides are acidic oxide and metal oxides are basic in nature. Okay, we can say non-metal oxides are acidic in nature and metal oxides are basic in nature. Why non-metal oxides are acidic? Because they give acid. On treatment with water. As I give you the example that SO3 is a non-metal oxide because sulfur is a non-metal. So SO3 on treatment with water, it will give acid, that is H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. So when non-metal oxide treated with water, they will give an acid. That's why these non-metal oxide are acidic oxide, or we can say they are acidic in nature. Okay, this Al2O3 is amphoteric oxide. This Al2O3 is known as amphoteric oxide because on treatment with water, it neither give acid nor base. That's why it is amphoteric in nature. Let me correct it, guys. Amphoteric in nature, or we can say amphoteric oxide. So correct option for this question will be which of the following is most basic in nature. Metal oxide will be the most basic, and the metal is Na2O. The metal is sodium, so its oxide will be basic. So option 4th will be the correct option. Si is the non-metal, sulfur is the non-metal. So these are the acidic oxide. And this Al2O3 is the amphoteric oxide because on treatment with water it neither give base and nor acid. That's why this is amphoteric in nature, and this is the basic oxide because this is the metal oxide, and on treatment with water of this oxide, when this oxide is treated with water, this Na2O is treated with water, it will give an base. That's why this is an basic oxide, or we can say this metal oxide is basic in nature. So correct option for this question will be option 4. Thank you, guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.